Hey everybody, welcome to episode number 10 of Kabo TV. Today I'm going to be talking about banking accounts with inside your business. When I first started my business, I got some tips from a very good businessman. He told me how to run my accounts so I didn't get myself into trouble with my GST, my taxes, my wages. I ran that from the very start from my business. When I come back from my short break, I'm going to be telling you all about it, how to do it with inside your business. So sit tight and I'll be back in just a minute to tell you all about it. Hi guys, welcome back to episode number 10 of Kabo TV, talking about business banking accounts with inside your business. This is something that's really important to understand. Now before I start, I've obviously got to give myself a disclaimer. Look, if it's something you don't understand, please go and see your accountant. Look, I am not an accountant, I'm not a financial advisor, but it's something that I believe is very important to understand. So if you don't understand it, go and see someone that does, that they can explain it in a bit more detail. Okay? Look, I do talk about it inside my book, Shut Up, Get Up and Give It a Go. You can buy a copy of my book from KickAssBusinessOnline.com. This book is a story about my life, but inside this book, I do talk about how I started my business with $5,000 and turned it into a 7-figure turnover business from nothing, okay? I do talk about accounts and how I deal with my accounts with inside my business, but I'm going to talk a little bit about them in this video right now, okay? Now, talking about business accounts is very important with inside your business. I see a lot of people get in trouble when they don't set them up correctly. Why? It's because they see the money come inside their business and they don't run their business banking accounts correctly. They go and spend money and they think everything's going and flowing correctly. And when there's time to pay wages, GST, tax and BASs and bills all come in, they get themselves in some massive trouble. I see it all the time. Early on in business, even I got myself into a little bit of trouble here and there, even though I followed these rules, okay? Now, there's 3 accounts that I run inside my business, even today, that I did from the very start, that helped me immensely with inside my business, okay? Now, the first account that I ran was a running account, okay? This account was a running account from my day-to-day running of my business, okay? This was from, just running money in and money out every day. Money in, money out, money in, money out, okay? My second account was for my GST, my PAYG installments, my tax, my BAS, that I would put away every week so I know it was there. So when these come up every week, month, quarterly, yearly, they were there. I didn't get caught, okay? This was very important. The middle one was the most important account that you would have because of the fact that people would go and spend that money, and at the end of the year, if you made a massive profit, quarter, or even say, monthly with PAYG installments, you go spending that money and you've got 10 staff or 5 staff, you could get caught with a good $10,000 or $15,000 bill and you don't have it, you're in a lot of trouble, okay? So that is probably the most important one you've got to have. Number 3 is your profit account, okay? This is the account where you put your profits. So you know that money is your clear money at the end of the day. And what I mean by profits is I mean by clear profits. Not by money that still needs tax taken out. This is what I mean by, at the end of the day, your net profit, okay? So no more money being taken out. So you know that money at the end of the day is yours to have. And another thing with net profit is I like to hold that there. Even though it is your money at the end of the day, and I know we all want to go and spend it on a holiday and we need to go and spend it maybe on a new car or a watch or whatever you want to do. I always like to keep it there inside that business. You never know. You never know when you're going to need it. You look at it like a little bit of a nest egg. I always do. I always keep my money inside the business, I like to have that little comfort egg because sometimes in business too that things might go a little bit tight or you might need that little bit of a nest egg just to reinvest the money back into the business when there's quiet times, or you might need that money for an unforeseen circumstance. So hold that money there. You know, it's always good to have it there. You don't need to spend it if you don't need to, okay? So I hope this helps. So have those 3 accounts, okay? You have a running account, okay? The second account, which is the major and the real most important account, your GST, your tax, your BAS, your super, your wages account, okay? That's the most important. And number 3, okay, is your profit account, okay? So I really hope this has helped, okay? And I will see you guys on episode number 10 and one more, 11 on Kabo TV. We'll see you then. I hope this has really helped, and we'll see you soon.